Picture this, a world where AI is not just smart, but also adaptable, intuitive, and surprisingly human-like. Welcome to the era of AI fine-tuning, a groundbreaking development that's changing the game. What's the buzz about? Well, AI fine-tuning means our digital buddies can now learn and adapt on the go, making them more efficient and versatile than ever. From healthcare to entertainment, this breakthrough is set to revolutionize numerous industries. Imagine a chatbot that can sense your mood and respond accordingly, or a virtual assistant that evolves with your needs. The reactions? A mix of awe, skepticism, and excitement. While some marvel at this unexpected leap in technology, others question its implications. Will it enhance our lives or disrupt traditional sectors? The potential of AI fine-tuning is vast, and the implications are yet to be fully grasped. It's a thrilling time to be alive, as we stand on the brink of a new age in technology. This is the dawn of a new era, and it's happening right now.